unbelievable bathroom remodeling in Ashburn, Virginia. This is our latest bathroom remodeling project in Ashburn, Virginia. You can see in this video how we done this before to this after, and you will see all the process as a photo and video there. This bathroom wasn't like this at all. Before it was darker color and the look was very old-fashioned, and here you can see what we done. Okay, the vanity stay at the same places, but we go with very beautiful inset beaded door, wooden color. It's very beautiful, very pretty and expensive. And we went with the very nice freestanding top instead of the built-in top here with the two niche. The tile went all the way to the ceiling. Wall and floor are same color tile. Because of that, it's not busy, and the vanity can pop a lot on it. Here was the shower. What we done, we make it a little bit bigger. We add lots of nice fixture here. You have a rain shower. You have two handheld on the both side. You can control everything, and beautiful niche on the back. The tile on the back is a 3D tile, and it's like a beaded tile too. And here we add the nice, beautiful, smart toilet that when you go there, even it's gonna be open. And here we have a nice linen pantry here. We gave them hamper, we gave them location for putting the dryer, something like this. You can see it here. Hair dryers is there, the hampers is here, and it's very functional. Please let me know if you have any question. If you have any bathroom remodeling, please contact us and we will be happy to help. Thank you so much and have a great one.